Some of our discussions will use a tool called Flipgrid, which allows us to do video responses instead of the traditional type your response, respond to two people, and so on. And this makes it a lot more fun, engaging, and it kind of builds community too, because we actually get to see one another as well. So if we are doing that for a given assignment, you'll see a Flipgrid window automatically appear in Canvas beneath any of the instructions. So I encourage you to first read through those instructions, and for some it might be useful to actually type out a response if this is something that's fairly new to you and you just want to have your thoughts organized. But when you're ready to respond to the prompts, you can just click on this plus sign right here, and it will add yours to the list. And you may actually see some if you aren't the first one right down there. So go ahead and click on the plus sign and you'll see a little window pop up within Canvas and a message within your browser asking, is it okay to use your camera? And in this case, yes, I want to do that and I'm going to allow it. So hello, there I am on the screen. To get started, you just click on the record icon. It's going to give you a little countdown and you can start speaking. Hello, this is what I think about the response. Here are my answers, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to talk for about a minute or so. So that's why it's sometimes good to organize your thoughts first. And when I think I'm ready, I can click on the green arrow. Haha. And it's going to play it back to you now. It might be slightly laggy because I'm recording video essentially. And then once that looks good, you can click on the arrow. Or if you need to, you could have clicked on the trash can as well. This next part is pretty fun. It is basically the cover for your response. So take a selfie of some kind, and oh, that's a bad one. So I'm going to cover it up with some nice emojis, some stickers. Let's see here. Oh, give myself some hair. Yes, totally. That is pretty great. All right, position it however you'd like. And have fun with this. There's really no other purpose other than to make it eye-catching and just really have some fun. So feel free to do however much or as little as you want with it. But I think it's pretty fun. And we'll just add a little smiley over here as well. Da, 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 da. All right, and when you got that done, go ahead and click next. And you'll see a confirmation screen just to confirm this is who you are. I don't know if everyone is going to see this because I'm a test student right now. The title, if you wanted to label your response a certain way, by all means do that. By default, it'll just be your last name, first name, which is kind of boring. So feel free to label this. It'll be organized just fine. So, make it interesting. And as far as a link, if you have a resource that you wanted to share but you couldn't talk great lengths about, you can actually add it here. So if you're linking to like a YouTube video, maybe it's a website or some document that you made, you can actually add it right here and it will show next to your video or below it, I believe. After that, submit my video. Success. Hooray! All right. Emo Matt is now on the screen. And others, once they get to this page, what they'll be able to do is click on each response and listen to it, for one. We'll be able to give responses, or reactions, I should say. And when the time comes and you would like to reply to that person, you can go ahead and click on the reply button on the right-hand side, and the same process starts here. And it's going to ask for your equipment if you haven't, told it to remember or whatever. So it is a very fun process. I hope you guys enjoy doing this. But if there are any tech issues, issues with webcam or things like that, maybe things that I just haven't thought of yet, please let me know as soon as possible because this is something that I'd really love to get started with you guys right away. And I hope you enjoy it. Have fun with it.